Hello and welcome to all of you out there, my friends in cyberspace and on YouTube. My name is Chris Paul, and I am here from Stormwind Studios to talk to you about our latest course offering, which is the most up-to-date version of CompTIA's PenTest Plus exam. In the wide world of cybersecurity, why does PenTest Plus stick out? It's because it's an industry-recognized standard and proof that you know what you're doing, that you are adept at not only finding, exploiting, and then mitigating crucial vulnerabilities, but that you understand the methodology behind the ethical hacking mindset, as well as the importance of reporting and communicating your findings to customers, clients, and your stakeholders. There is a treasure trove of information available in this course, and it all stems from the 5 main domains of knowledge recognized by CompTIA for this certification exam. The first domain is planning and scoping, and this is where we begin to lay our groundwork. We're going to be diving into the methodologies and strategies needed in order to conduct a successful penetration test. Next, we'll venture into information gathering and vulnerability scanning. I will show you the latest tactics, techniques for OSINT or open source intelligence gathering, as well as tools, tactics, and techniques needed to unearth vulnerabilities that are just waiting to be exploited. Which brings us to the next domain, which is attacks and exploits. Now, this is where we're going to get our hands dirty. This is where the magic happens. We are going to talk about all types of attacks, from network, web application, wireless attacks. I'm even going to tell you about social engineering and physical tactics for conducting a successful penetration test. Next is reporting and communication. This domain is the one that saw the most change from the previous version of the exam. This is where we're going to talk about the importance of your findings in a penetration test, as well as how to ensure that your results resonate with your customers and that your mitigation efforts and recommendations are impactful to the customer. And of course, the tools of the trade. We're talking about tools and code analysis. I am going to help equip you with the most sought after utilities and tools used by penetration testers today, as well as take a look at the nuances of different coding languages and how we can use them to develop scripts and automated techniques in order to facilitate a more successful pen test. Now, basically, what I'm trying to say is, with our journey together through this course, I'm not just trying to get you to be another certified cybersecurity professional. I am trying to get you to be a cybersecurity asset, someone that is ready to go out there, tackle and handle any challenge that comes your way, detect, exploit, and mitigate vulnerabilities, and above all else, safeguard the digital realm. It's very important to me that I help bring cybersecurity awareness up with my peers and help to improve the security posture of cyberspace. Before I leave you today, I just want to talk about some of the nitty-gritty, the test details for CompTIA. For PenTest Plus, there is a maximum of 85 questions on this exam, and they are multiple choice as well as some performance-based questions where you are going to have to take control of the mouse, click around, change some settings. There's even some types of examples of questions where you will need to put together a script or type out a specific command. Don't worry, I'm going to show you how to do it. 165 minutes, in my opinion, that's more than enough time for a test of this nature, especially with 85 questions. CompTIA allows you to flag questions and then return to them before you submit the exam. So that's always a great test-taking strategy, is to, if you don't recognize a question or you don't have an answer for it right away, flag it, move on, come back to it before you submit the test, and maybe the answer has come to you. And so about that, right? Scoring. In order to pass this exam, you need to have a 750 out of a 100 to 900 range. on a scale. Now, about this score, not all of the 85 questions have the same weight. Some questions aren't even graded at all. CompTIA likes to throw in some tester questions in order to gauge awareness of their people that take the test takers, and to see if they are good types of questions to add on to a future version of the test. So don't be discouraged if you see a question that doesn't quite make any sense, or maybe is related to some information that wasn't covered accurately during the course. Don't worry, this might be one of those tester questions. Now, CompTIA suggests that you have at least 3 to 4 years experience, and this can be a wide range of experience if you are a administrator or a security administrator. If you're already a cyber defender or a blue teamer, you have the knowledge capable for learning this offensive mindset, to learn penetration testing, and even become a red teamer. There is so much out there for you to practice and learn, and it's all going to be covered within this course. Of course, with the experience, if you already have some type of penetration testing, and if you understand code and code analysis, you're going to already be in a really great spot for this exam. Nevertheless, with our course, we are going to make sure that you are well prepared for every facet of the exam. So without further ado, I just want to ask, are you ready to dive in? I'm excited to teach this course. I'm really hopeful that I get to see you there. I'm hoping that you'll join me in this journey, stepping into the future of cybersecurity, and maybe just taking a walk on the wild side and pretending to be a bad guy for once. Penetration testing is a very cool field to get into, and I'm excited to share the knowledge with you. So, I hope to see you there. Let's get started. Let's go. Bye.